The thing to know with Ho'oponopono is that you are 100% responsible for everything you experience. Now, when I first heard it, I kind of nodded my head, yeah, I know, I'm responsible. But no, most of us think of responsibility as what we personally say or do. But in Ho'oponopono, they teach that responsibility means everything. If it's in your experience, you are a co-creator and you are responsible for cleaning it up. Everything is in your experience. When you hear about a war in the Ukraine, that's now in your experience. It is your responsibility to help clean it up. If you hear about the COVID breakout in Ireland, it's in your experience now. It is your responsibility to clean it up. So everything that you hear, that you do, that other people do, that becomes part of your experience, you're responsible for. That's 100% responsibility. It's also one of the things people don't like about Ho'oponopono. Who wants to take responsibility for other people? But this is why it's an advanced spirituality. So the first level is 100% responsibility. The second level is cleaning it, clearing it, healing it. And in this case, we use Ho'oponopono. Who or what are we healing, cleaning, clearing? You. And what that means is when you look into the world, your disease, your discomfort, your unhappiness, your anger, your response is only in you. I have friends in the Ukraine. When I look at that and I'm upset, because one of the countries I was in just before the pandemic was the Ukraine. And right before that, Russia. So here I am in hot button places. And so I have feelings that come up as I think about my friends being bombed. What do? Ho'oponopono is on helping me reduce my beliefs of injustice, of agony, of fear, so I can be at a place of neutrality. Be a place of peace. Ho'oponopono, the word itself, means to make right. What are you making right? Your perceptions. It's our perceptions that are co-creating what we are experiencing. This program is designed to teach you everything from the basics to the advanced of Ho'oponopono. So you know this and you can live this and you can practice this and you can teach it to others if you like. Now, this is a program for you because you're here and because you're paying attention to what I'm having to say. Obviously, you came here for a reason. Obviously, you're interested in Ho'oponopono, and you're probably interested in being certified as a certified Ho'oponopono practitioner. Well, if all of that is true, then all you have to do now is review this page, and then if you're interested and you feel your heart is nudging at you or tugging at you or inspiring you to sign up for this, I say do it. I say that there are moments in life that change your life forever. They're those defining moments when you make a decision, and that decision takes you in a new direction or a deeper direction. And I believe that's what's going on here today. This has been a new direction for me, for Guitar Monk Matthew Dixon, for all the people at Statbrook and Global Sciences who are behind this certification program. And I invite you to review this, sit with it, meditate on it, and if it really feels like it's right for you, then go ahead and sign up for it. You will love the detail, you will love the program. If you already love Ho'oponopono, then this is going to make you even more passionately in love with this life-altering technology or modality or spirituality, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, Ho'oponopono has changed my life. It's changed everybody's life, including Dr. Hulen, including Guitar Monk Matthew Dixon. All of us have been changed by this very simple program. But don't be deceived by how simple Ho'oponopono is. I was on a call recently where people were asking me questions about Ho'oponopono and how do they say the phrases? Who do they say the phrases to? Do they say them to other people? Do they say them inside themselves? What order do they say them in? Why do they have to say the phrases at all? Why do they have to say, I love you, I'm sorry? What else can they do besides the phrases? They had all these questions, and I realized even with the trainings that are out there, even with my books that are out there, even with the available information that you can find by Googling around, there isn't everything in one place like there is now. And now not only can you get all of the education and absorb it and use it and practice it and change your life, but you can be certified as a Ho'oponopono practitioner. So this is the best of all worlds. So I encourage you, review the site. If it feels right, if you feel inspired, sign up. Meanwhile, I love you, I'm sorry, Please forgive me and thank you.